A strong emphasis on ergonomics in the workplace is a crucial element to the manufacturing of today. However, it doesn't end there. Other key pieces to the puzzle include increasing productivity, improving quality, optimizing ergonomics, and many others. For these reasons and more, Atlas Copco's advanced SMC torque arm is the ideal solution for your hand tool application needs. The SMC torque arm is designed to absorb the torque reaction generated by fastening tools, minimizing the strain experienced by an operator. This provides the ability to safely achieve tightening torques of up to 500 Newton meters while offering a powerful but ergonomic experience for your operators. Employing a carbon fiber construction, the SMC torque arm is a lightweight solution with remarkably low handling forces that will minimize potential ergonomic issues such as hand, arm, or shoulder injuries. The arm is typically mounted in a vertical orientation to an overhead structure for horizontal tightening applications. The SMC torque arm can also be mounted in a horizontal orientation for vertical tightenings as well. Utilizing a telescopic design, the SMC arm has the ability to provide an extensive reach in a compact package, optimizing the available space in the workstation. Axial and upper and lower pivoting capability provide compliance to both the tool and operator, aiding in part accessibility. The SMC arm is equipped with a cable balancer to act as a lift assist device, which reduces operator fatigue and ensures a high level of productivity. The cable balancer can be configured to retract the end-of-arm payload or maintain it in a weightless position. The SMC torque arm is available in two primary variants, standard for non-critical tightening applications and an encoder-based POSI 3 model for applications in which position monitoring is necessary. Of these variants, there's a multitude of torque models and length options to accommodate a variety of application requirements. The SMC arm is interconnected. For advanced error-proofing capabilities, consider integrating the SMC torque arm with Atlas Copco's Industrial Location Guidance (ILG) system. In conjunction with the POSI 3 model, the ILG platform tracks the exact location of the tool relative to the fastening position, ensuring that the correct fasteners are tightened to the specification in the proper sequence. For SMC torque arms, Atlas Copco offers a variety of tool holder options that include fixed mounting options for pistol, straight, and angle tools, and a rotating tool holder option for additional angular compliance. The SMC torque arm from Atlas Copco is the ideal solution for boosting workplace ergonomics, preventing serious ergonomic issues from impacting the safety and well-being of your operators, increasing quality consistency in your production, and boosting productivity on the line.